Today, we're diving into some exciting updates about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is set to introduce some game-changing features. If you've been keeping up with the latest leaks, you'll know that satellite communication is one of the most anticipated features, and it's officially been confirmed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recently, the Chinese version of the Galaxy S25 series received its 3C certification, and it's no longer just a rumor. Satellite communication is definitely coming to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The certification revealed one model, SMS 9380, which has been specifically marked as supporting this feature. Now, that's super exciting for anyone who's ever been stuck without service during an emergency. Imagine being able to send an SOS message even without regular network coverage. That's what satellite communication will enable you to do. Now, here's where things get a little interesting. While the Ultra model will feature satellite communication, it's still unclear whether Samsung will use the Bu or Tiantong satellite system for this. But from the looks of it, only the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have this functionality. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might miss out on the satellite SOS feature, making the Ultra an even more premium option. And here's a heads up for anyone who was expecting a charger in the box, Samsung's sticking to its recent trend. The 3C certification confirms that none of the Galaxy S25 models will come with a charger, although a charging cable will be included. The good news is the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will still feature 45-watt super-fast charging, so you're getting top-notch charging speeds. On the other hand, the base Galaxy S25 might drop down to 25-watt charging. It's not bad, but certainly slower compared to the Plus and Ultra models. One question that's been on everyone's mind is whether this satellite communication feature will be free. From what we're hearing, it might be offered for free initially, but after a limited time, it could become a paid service. So if you're thinking about relying on this feature long-term, you might want to be prepared to pay for it. However, in emergencies, this technology can literally be a lifesaver, letting you contact rescue authorities when regular networks are out of reach. This is similar to what we've seen with Apple's satellite features that are already available on some of their international models. It looks like Samsung is finally catching up, and this could give the Galaxy S25 Ultra an edge over its competitors. Speaking of competition, Hubble has also introduced satellite communication in their Pixel 9 series, and even Verizon is jumping on the bandwagon. They're reportedly working on adopting this SOS technology for their users, so it's clear that satellite communication is becoming a must-have feature for smartphones. Now let's talk about another exciting leak regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the RAM upgrade. If you're someone who loves multitasking or just wants the most powerful device possible, you'll be happy to hear that the S25 Ultra is rumored to come with a 16GB RAM version. This was confirmed by Ice Universe, one of the most well-known leakers in the industry. Plus, we're expecting RAM upgrades there as well. The base Galaxy S24 currently starts with just 8GB of RAM, so bumping that up to 12GB would be a great improvement. The S25 Plus already has 12GB of RAM, so it's unclear if Samsung will upgrade it to 16GB like the Ultra, or if they'll keep it at 12GB to maintain the Ultra's premium status. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra satellite communication and RAM upgrade? Is this going to be the next must-have flagship? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, dang, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.